How to check YouTube video analytics on iPhone. Curious about how your YouTube videos are performing? Let's check your video analytics using your iPhone. Open the YouTube Studio app and make sure you're signed into your account. Tap on Analytics at the bottom to view an overview of your channel's performance. Here you can explore various metrics such as views, watch time, subscriber changes, and revenue. To see analytics for a specific video, go back to Content and select the video and tap Analytics like this. Understanding your analytics helps you grow your channel effectively. Keep monitoring your performance. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.